Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taytay, and I'm here with a new video for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new to my channel, welcome back. As you guys saw by the title, today I decided to do a fall makeup look for you guys. I have never ever done a fall makeup look on here, so this is something that's definitely different. But nevertheless, I decided why not come up with a fall look because it's cute and totally it fits the season. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So first things first, I am going in with my primer. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. Very lightweight, and it just makes my makeup look absolutely bomb. Probably one of my favorite drugstore primers. So going on to my brows, I am taking my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is an old mascara, so I no longer use this anymore. There's like nothing in here. I just use it for my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and use it and just brush my brows. So now I'm going in with concealer, and this is my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso. I am taking this and I'm just going to conceal my brows and make sure they look snatched. Now I'm going to fill in my brows with this dark brown pencil from Magic Collection. And then afterwards, I am going to go in with a spoolie and I'm just going to brush out the front of my brows. So now I'm taking two concealers, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso and also the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to put that on my eyelids and blend it out with a sponge. So now I'm taking my foundation by Catrice. This is in the shade Deep Mahogany, and this is their HD Longwear Matte Foundation. So now I'm going in with some loose finishing powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Dark 40. I am just going to take a brush and just apply this all over my face. So now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm taking this orange shade and I'm going to put that in my crease area. Now I'm going in with my James Charles palette and I'm taking the shade Code James and I'm gonna just basically put that all over my lid. Now I'm taking the shade Halloween and I'm gonna be putting that in my tear duct area. Now I'm going back in with my Wet n Wild palette and I'm taking the same shade that I used for my crease area and I'm going to put that for my bottom lids. So now I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm going in with my Essence Super Last eyeliner in the shade Black and I'm just going to do like a fairly long wing. I'm going in with my Dose Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen and I'm going to be using this in my waterline. Now I'm going to be doing some blush. I'm going in with the James Charles palette and I'm using the shade No Beans. Now for highlight, I'm going into the shade Wig, also from the James Charles palette. Now I'm taking this dark brown pencil from Magic Collection and I am going to be using that to line my lips. So now I'm going in with my CoverGirl Smoky Shadow Blast. I'm taking the dark brown shimmery lipstick side. Now going back in the James Charles palette, I'm taking the shade Halloween again and I'm gonna just put some of that on top of the lipstick. Now for mascara, I'm going in with my Lily Lashes XXX Mascara. Last but not least, I'm going back in with my eyeliner by Essence and I'm just going to make a little birthmark just under my eye, I guess, and that pretty much wraps up this look. So normally I would wear a setting spray, but as I was editing I realized that I completely forgot that step. But yeah, it still turned out good. I didn't really go anywhere, so it was fine. But yeah, so this is the finished look. This is my fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, and if you try it, tag me, let me know. I want to see how it looks. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, y'all know the usual, and hopefully you guys will see me in the next video.